Here I have TECNO smartphone, and let me show you how to record screens on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the tools by swiping down here. Let's use this arrow here, and here we've got screen recorder. So let's just tap it. And as you can see, you're just recording the screen. Here you've got the time. You can tap this button here, for example, to stop it. You can tap play to keep recording. And you can use this red icon here to save the recordings. Here you can also use this file manager to see your recordings. You can also use this settings icon to see some settings with your screen recorder. For example, you can enable recording microphone sound. So you will have the recordings with the sound from your microphone. It could be useful, let me do it. You can also disable or enable the device sounds. As you can see, this feature was enabled like automatically. So if you won't be using this, let's just keep it disabled. You can choose the image quality. Let me choose the highest one. You can show tabs if you would like to. You can also enable do not disturb while recording your screen. It could be useful to not be disrupted and to don't have notification on your recordings. Let me do it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.